So for understanding, so we have the Oracle application. So in that, so earlier it was 11i. Now it is so after that, so we have R12. Now we have cloud. So let me brief you about. So even in the interviews also, people may ask all these things. So here, so these are all form based. All are the form based. Okay. So all are form based. Okay. So R12. So these are all forms. Then web based. Web based because like this. So we have the web application like this. Okay. And cloud, it is totally web. So that means that, so it's a kind of a HTML pages like this. Okay. So here we have user, and here also we have the user to log in, and here also we have the user called implementation user. Okay. So here in 11i, so we have the system administrator. So to create a user and login details. So here also we have the system administrator. In cloud, we have Oracle Identity Manager. Oracle ID, we call it as a OIM. So using Oracle Identity Manager, we can log in into so we can get the login credentials, username and password, and then we can create our own user and we can log in the application. Okay. So in 11i, we have responsibilities. Responsibilities or modules. We call it as a responsibilities or modules. So here also in R12 also, so the same thing. Okay. And in cloud, we have the offerings. Okay. Offering means, so you can select. So if the application is there, I will show you that. So I think tomorrow, I think by end of the today we will get the application. I will show you tomorrow. Okay. So one we have financial offering. Hey, Aman, you are able to listen, right?
Yes,
Yeah, okay. Good. So
yes,
if you have any doubts, so please let me know. Okay, you can unmute and you can so ask the doubts. Okay, today just we can go through the so how the application will be like this. Okay, so financials offering, and we have the projects offering, and we have HCM, human capital management offering, and we have supply chain management, HCM, supply chain management offering. We have procurement offering. Okay, so like this, we have different offerings. Okay. So here for each, so once we go to the application. Okay. So anyhow, I have the application, right? So let me show you this one. So this is application for R12. I am saying R12. So R12 and 11i. So actually 11i was in 2005 to 7. So we worked on that. So then from 2007, so before 2007, 11i. So 11i was there, and from 2007 we have the R12. Okay. So both are similar, but just some kind of so forms are changed. That's only. Okay. But R2, this cloud is entirely changed. Welcome. Operation welcome. Okay. So this is the application, R12 application. Okay, this is R12 application, and these are all the responsibilities. Okay, just I am in a payable responsibility, and these are all functions. Okay, so these are all, so for each and everything. Okay, for invoice. Okay, for invoice kind of thing. So then it's a kind of a function. So I just want, so let me go to HRMS. Okay, then you can have a better idea. Okay, so enter and maintain. Click on new. Okay, so so these are all the functions. Okay, these are all the functions. So we have, for each and every responsibility we have the functions. So in the same way here also it is not changed. We call it as a functions, but in cloud we call it as a task, task list or tasks. So this one. So if you see this one, so this is a list. Okay. So because so I'm so if you see this one, it's a collapse and the expand, then collapse. All right. So for this one, so this is a list of all the tasks, and we have a list of all the functions, and we have the different functionalities here. So in the same way, so in cloud also we have task list and tasks. Okay. So, these are the main things, and here, so you can see setups and transactions. So in the same responsibility, setup and transaction both in the same responsibility. So you can see that. Okay. So here, so you can see all the things in one responsibility, but in the cloud, so both are separated. Setup and transactions are separated. Okay. And we have multi-arc structure, so I will let you know once we have the application. So then if I explain all these things, then you will have good idea on that. So these are the out so the main differences. So if we check the application, so even if you are speaking about so the application, so you will give, so you can give the brief idea, so how the 11A and R12 and how it is changed to cloud like this. Okay. And using the offerings, okay, for example I am implementing HCM, so then I can select the HCM offering, and then I can work on the all the setups, so all the different setups, so I will do that. And for all these things we have required setups and optional setups. We have the required setups and optional setups, so we will work on both required and optional, both the setups. So that is the just a brief idea, Aman. So what we can do is, once we get the application by end of the today, so definitely, okay. So we will discuss on that. Okay, we will discuss on that. So I hope that by end of the today we will get the so the instance, and tomorrow so we will go through step by step for setups, and we can discuss on that. Okay, is it fine? So I just want to give you the heads up, so how it will be. Okay, so I thought that so this is the main application, but it's a kind of just a confusion. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay. So let us meet tomorrow at the same time. Okay. And I request you, so if it possible, so what you can do is, so you can go to the Google, and then you can download free trial version. So you can type the so go to meeting 30 days or 45 days trial version. So then click on that one. So you need to fill up this one. So like this. So you can do that.
Okay.
So no need so that so I will give you the organized access. You can download so in your system. So that recording will be downloaded. It will be saved in our system. So the automated trial version. Automated trial version.
Okay.
So just type that one. So then click on go to meeting. So here you will get the trial version. Okay. So maybe so they should say 14 days trial, but we can extend that one. Okay. So then just fill up your email ID, everything, and start trialing. And after that, so let me give you that. So how it will be test. So you can give any mail ID. So it's not mean that you need to give the correct mail ID. You can give anything. So any mail ID. So but it should be at the rate of Gmail like this. So just start. So once it is
But
started,
I prefer you mail me the you
sorry.
give me the recording and mail me.
Yeah. Yeah, today I will do
I
that.
mean, I would prefer if you give me by email.
Okay. So you want to share on daily basis?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Just like
Yeah. Okay. No problem. I will do that. So I will do that. No problem. So what I can do is I will upload to your Google Drive. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So actually, so I will send the link. So then you can. So I will upload to my Google Drive, and then I will give you the access, and then you can download that. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Okay. Thanks for joining, Aman. And today we can't go ahead beyond that because we don't have the application, right? So I hope that
Yeah.
tomorrow, so we will get the application. We can discuss that. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks for joining.
So wait, I had one question.
Yeah.
So will you be explaining all the models before the setup? Or?
Yeah. So here, so we will explain each and every setup. So before going to the all the processes, so we will go through each and every setup, and we will explain. So I will explain everything. So because we have some common setups in Oracle Cloud. So first we will go through the common setups, and then we will go to the HCM setups. So we will discuss each and everything, each and everything.
Okay.
So that is required for HCM. So for the implementation of human capital management, all the setup. So we'll discuss required and optional everything.
Yeah.
Okay, and we'll give you the materials recordings. So if you want, we can discuss for the mock interviews like this. If you are looking for jobs there, so we'll assist you everything whatever we discussed yesterday. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Fine. So because nowadays what happens is getting the link is a challenge. So that's why we will check with the Oracle because we need to get from directly from Oracle only. Okay, so there is no third party. So definitely by end of the today we will get it, and tomorrow so we will go through, and also myself also I will test that link. So before having the class, then we can have that one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Fine.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Bye.